When the shaitan was cursed, he said to Allah, ثُمَّ لَآتِيَنَّهُم مِّن بَيْنِ أَيْدِيهِمْ وَمِنْ خَلْفِهِمْ وَعَنْ أَيْمَانِهِمْ وَعَنْ شَمَائِلِهِمْ وَلَا تَجِدُ أَكْثَرَهُمْ شَاكِرِينَ. That, oh Allah, I will attack the human being from in front, from behind, from the right, from the left. Now what is the meaning of this? If the shaitan is saying, I'm going to attack from the right, from the left, from in front, from behind, I can't even see him, it doesn't matter. But what is the true, the deep meaning of the statement of the shaitan? So the scholars of Islam have pondered over this statement of the shaitan, and they have come up with the tafsir. They say that he will attack from the left side is obvious. On the day of judgment there will be two groups. One will be pushed towards the right, Ashabul Yameen, and they will walk into Jannah. And one will be pushed towards the left, Ashabul Shimal, and they will be thrown into the fire of hell. Normally, when a person commits to something that is good, he uses his right hand. And he starts from his right side. Virtue is linked to the right side. Shaitan is going to attack from the left side. It means that a person will commit his body, his energy towards haram, to something that is prohibited. Whenever a person commits haram, he engages in something that is prohibited. That means that he has committed to something that is on the left side. The shaitan has attacked from the left side. And what is the right side? The right side is that he has committed to something that is halal, that is noble, but he didn't keep it. I have $1,000 in my credit card, but if I lose it today, do I have it now? No, I've lost it. I may have one house in my name, but tomorrow I may lose it. I can only say it is my $1,000. It is my house if I keep it. Likewise, a person, he does a lot of good. And when he does good, it is credited into his account. But he may lose it in the future. As Allah says in the glorious Quran in Surah Baqarah, لا تبطلوا صدقاتكم بالمن والأذى. Do not render your sadaqat vain by reminding the recipient. So today I gave sadaqah to one person, he was in need. He took the sadaqah. I am credited for the sadaqah. But after a couple of months, I reminded him in front of people to embarrass him. I will lose that reward. It will be erased, rubbed out of my account. So, to attack from the right side is that a person commits to a good deed, but he doesn't sustain the good deed. Before death, he does something that he loses that good deed. One person, he prays with khushu and khuzu, but then he becomes judgmental. And one day in public he says, I pray a lot of prayers, and you don't pray, he will lose the reward. So we have to be very, very mindful regarding our good deeds. This is our investment. This is our commodity that we will benefit from on the other side. So we have to sustain it till death rattle. And what is the meaning of attacking from behind? That Shaitan does not allow us to advance. Now there are certain things that do not allow us to advance. And what is that? It may be the love of dunya. It may be the love of children. It may be the love of business. Any kind of love, infatuation with anything that does not allow us to advance towards Allah is a hook that is not allowing us to advance. And that is the attack from behind. And the attack from in front is to make us oblivious of akhirah. When the shaitan makes us forget preparation of akhirah, he is attacked from in front. Now this is the method by which the shaitan deceives a human being. From the right, from the left, from in front, from behind.